Hello, my name is Songbird, and my wings are fake. Yeah. Hello everyone, it's Moonlight Magic Gem here, and today I will be unboxing this My Little Pony Songbird Serenade toy. I got this from my mom for Christmas, so yeah. Well, whatever, let's get to it. So this is her. Her hair is not as long as it is in the movie. She has her bow or headband or whatever. She comes with a jacket. Her eyes are actually showing. Her mouth is open and she's smiling. She has very long eyelashes and she's just beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Okay guys, so I was just playing with this pony and I just realized that you can move her wings around. Like, her wings are pretty flexible and they can come off. So, yeah.